Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam. وَرَبُّكَ الْغَنِيُّ ذُو الرَّحْمَةِ إِن يَشَأْ يُذْهِبْكُمْ وَيَسْتَخْلِفْ مِن بَعْدِكُم مَّا يَشَاءُ كما أنشأكم من ذرية قوم آخرين. Translation: Your Rabb is self-sufficient, free of needs, the possessor of benevolence. He can destroy you if He wills and make others as successors in your place with whom He pleases, just as He raised you from the progeny of other people. In the previous ayah, we studied that all the humans have the different status, and they have different place in terms of their action. There are people who are higher in good deeds than the others. Similarly, there are people who are committing bigger sins than the other, and they all will be given the paradise or the hellfire according to their status. In today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is ghani. He is free from any needs, any requirement, or anyone's help, or He does not need anyone's worship or praise. If no one is worshipping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, His kingdom will not decrease to any extent. And if everyone is doing worship of Him, His kingdom will not increase any bit. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us the chance to do good deeds in this life, which is the sign of His mercy that He has given us this opportunity. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not need it. We need it so that we can worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and get a place in the paradise. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has brought us in this life as the progeny of our ancestors. So the ancestors are gone. They had their time and they utilized their time as they wanted. Now it is our chance, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, with His absolute beneficence and His absolute rahmah, giving us this chance so that we can perform good deeds and save us from the hellfire. If we do not obey the orders of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He can destroy all of us and bring other people instead of us as He pleases. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran, connect us to the truthful people, and give us the vision so that we can see the hereafter with the eyes of our heart, and help us prepare for the life of hereafter. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.